Hello crafty friends, it's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to test out glass etch vinyl on a non-glass product. I hope you'll stick around, see what I make, and see if it even works. Thanks so much for stopping by today. If you are new to my channel, I hope by the end of my video that you'll be inspired to hit the subscribe button. If you're already a regular viewer and subscriber, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. As I mentioned in the intro, I'm going to test out glass etch vinyl on non-glass. I looked earlier on YouTube because I wanted to see if you could use it on other products, and I didn't see anybody who had used it on something that wasn't glass. So I called my local vinyl supply company, shout out to MJ Sewing and Vinyl in Nebraska, and they actually had some in stock. So I ran over there and I got the pearly white vinyl, and then I ran to the Dollar Tree to just get something on the cheap side that I could test this out on. Came home, got my file ready, got it cut out. All I need to do now is weed it and get it onto my notebook. So if this works, this could be a really cool product to use on non-glass pieces. I really love the look of vellum on things, and I think that's what this is going to kind of look like. So if you had a pattern notebook or something else that was patterned, this might just kind of mute that and make it kind of look like a watermark. And that's kind of the look I'm going to go for today, is a watermark on my black notebook. Now, the thing that inspired me to create this was a few months ago, I bought my daughter a t-shirt. I think it was on Etsy, and it was a black t-shirt, and then in the background it was kind of a frosted vinyl, like a frosted heat transfer vinyl. And then, you know, there were white words on top of it. And I just loved how it just muted that background and you could still see the design while it was a frosted HTV. It is a Hamilton t-shirt. I don't know if I've mentioned it on here before, but I'm a huge fan of Hamilton. I have not seen it yet, but I do know every word. My daughter and I listen to the soundtrack constantly. And in September, I'm happy to say that I get to go see it. Super, super excited. So for my project today, I'm actually going to turn this notebook into a Hamilton-inspired notebook. On the screen in front of you is what my screen looks like of what I created to cut out today. For my font, I used Baba's New, and this was a free font from dafont.com. So I'll link that below if you ever want to try to do any of these straight out of something logos for yourself. It works perfectly for this. You just then have to go in and add your squares and your rectangles. Once the file was set up and I was ready to cut it out, I sent it to my Silhouette. Now for the settings, I looked up online. I think I found them at expressionsvinyl.com. They suggested for glass etch vinyl. So once I had those settings entered, I sent it to cut. The supplies I use today are, of course, the glass etch vinyl, and this apparently comes in other colors. I got the pearly white, and I got a whole yard for only $5.90. I, of course, got my notebook from the Dollar Tree for $1. I like that it has the elastic band and the pages inside are lined. And if this works, I actually bought a really nice notebook at Michael's for super cheap that I'm going to try later. I'll show you at the end of the video what I'm going to use if this works out. But if this doesn't work out, you're probably never going to see this video. I have my vinyl with my image cut out. I just need to weed it. And then I have a small piece of transfer tape. So I'll weed this really quick and then I'll see if you can see the image. Since it's white on white, I don't know that you'll be able to. Let me know below if you have an electronic cutter and what you like to make with it. So far, I've really only made t-shirts. I've made a couple personalized items with just permanent vinyl, but I do like to make a t-shirt. And I actually got one on sale at Michael's today, and I'm gonna make myself a straight out of Hamilton t-shirt. Also, let me know below, are you a fan of Hamilton? And if so, have you seen it? I don't know if you can see it, but the weeding is done. And I just have left on here what I would have put on the front of my notebook. So I'm going to see how easily I can peel this off. Hopefully I don't get any leftover residue. Actually came off pretty nice. I went over to get my vintage Cricut scraper or flat edge. I will go ahead and get this onto my transfer paper. Now, as far as tips on electronic cutter files and how to apply stuff, I am definitely not your resource for this. I'm pretty new to it. I just wing it and try my best. It is now on my transfer paper. I'm gonna try to get this on there as straight as I can. Sorry for the shadow, I'm above the camera right now. Here's the test. Cross your fingers. Look at that, guys. It turned out just great. All of the little pieces, like in the A and the O and the R, stayed on the notebook. I can't wait to see it on another color or even on a patterned background. If you're interested in the etched vinyl, I will link the place where I got it from. No affiliation with them, but they do have good prices and I believe that they do ship. So you can check out that link below. And now I'll let you see what I'm going to try more vinyl on, maybe tomorrow or the next day. Here it is. It is an 8.5 by 11 sketchbook from Michaels. Now the inside pages aren't lined, but I'm going to make it work because I do love these. I have bought a few of these before to use, and recently they went from like $5 to $6.99. Well, I went to Michaels today and the $6.99 ones were on sale for $5. And there were some like special colors that I've never seen before. There was this blue, a very pretty green, and then a light pink. I don't know if they're seasonal, but those three colors said that they were regularly only $4.99. So I didn't know if they were part of the sale. So when I checked out, I actually bought two. I asked if I could try the 50% off coupon, you know, it's worth a shot. And it did. I ended up getting one of these for $2.50. Look at that, how thick it is. There are 110 sheets in here. But my plan is to put a design on the front in that same etched vinyl, and then it will again just look kind of like a watermark image. If you did enjoy this video today, as always, I appreciate a thumbs up. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below and I'll get back to you just as soon as I can. Until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye bye.